3 slices of 4 meter width. Then what will happen? Right. And again, that means what? One split, right? And then I am making 3 slices. That means this is a 3 slices, 3. There is a 1 split and then 3 slices. Otherwise, only 2 slices, 1 split and 2 slices of 5 meter width, this slice width. And then otherwise, no slice, but split, one deep split and one level split. That means it appears something like this. One level split is there and one deep split is there. That's all. So then only splitting, only one split, whether it is level or deep. And at that case, otherwise only wide stall mining. That is, I am not splitting the pillar, only widening the gallery. In all these situations, when you consider this in this mine, typical case example, some of the data already I have given you, otherwise also I can provide anytime, where this is a stress on individual stroke will be. In these cases, you need not worry much about the calculations now, because this we will be discussing later also, but you should understand while designing the methods what happened and how it is done specifically for this mine and what is the basis behind that, so that you can read so many books, so many, whatever, lot of material is available, buckets full of ocean of information, explosion of information is there. Right here, stress coming is on 22 MPa, right? To even on the developed pillar, it was around 11 MPa. Okay, and then empirical model through that, when safety factor is seen, it is coming to be around 0.4, and here on the developed pillar, when it is the original development pillar, around 5, right? And when it is wide stall mining, if you do it, then around 3.3 safety factor. Then numerical simulation, because we have done lot of approaches. At the same time, this is also a part of some of my beloved students of MTech, BTech projects and PhD, where they visited these mines also. That is the reason why I used to encourage as a part of our Atmanirbhar Bharat, right? All the time, like your footballer here, somebody is there, right? So to contribute your best, understanding the problem and get involved in these mines investigations and all as a part of your projects or assignments, whatever it is. That is the way how I try to encourage your learning based education to develop further our Skill India, Make India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, what the names we give Startup India, right, as a National Education Policy 2020. Now here, numerical simulations, when you do 1.224 and then whatever, with stowing when it is done 1.5 to 4.8, and percentage extraction, this is important point for us as far as conservation of the mineral is concerned. So we are more interested to extract maximum possible coal or the mineral, whatever it is. And then here, when you are splitting with 3 slices, 59% as extraction is possible. This is again, percentage extraction is a very simple geometrical calculations. That's all. So it is no big deal. It is very simple. Even a 5th class or 4th class student also can do that. Here, percentage extraction with 1 split 3 slices of that much dimension, 59%, and then with 2 slices, 55%. Only with 2 split and 1 level split, it is 42%. Only splitting without any slice or anything, 33%. Or wide stall mining, when we do it, is 42%. And with only development, you are getting around 23%. So this, why I'm telling this calculation, you can do it. I need not give, if required, I can give n number of numerical problems for you. But again, I don't want you, my beloved students, to become memory builders or keeping your information in the library or SCI journal here and there, just like that for the sake of any grade or rank, something like that. But should be a problem solvers. You should not be a memory builder. But you should understand why it is done, what is being done, what is necessary to be done in future to solve the problems of our mining industries. Right. That means ultimately take away from this, this slide is around 23% to 59% is possible percentage of extraction from the development to the splitting with 3 slices, and then same percentage is possible by wide stall mining also. You please note down, underline, bold, italic, red, whatever, right? Because this is the way how you plan for extraction of whatever the mining methods we plan. and alternatives we explore, right? This is same percentage is possible, whether it is quaterning or widening, wide stall mining, right? Here at this stage, I would like to stop here for today because already our time is about 9:56, my beloved students. And what we do now is we will go to your part of this attendance once again and your answer for the CEP questions and your homework questions also, or your status of assignment and other things, of course, based on your inquiries, we will do that. And now any other doubts you can ask. Otherwise, CEP answers, if anybody, otherwise 0 to all except somebody. Who is that somebody? Anybody interested? Now it is 9:57. Now we should be ready.
Yes, sir.
Pizza is there on the background here, you see. Pizza is waiting for you. Right. Yogita madam want to say something, or you have to tell your name. Except Yogita
Yes, sir,
madam. Yogita and who is?
Sir, Sivasankar Misra.
Yogita and Siva. Except these two, for all it is 0. Okay. Yeah, now continue.
Sir, I am going to answer the CEP question. Sir, diagonal line of extraction is most
CEP
popular
1, 2,
because
3. Is it CEP 1, 2 or 3?
the CEP 3.
Very good. Continue. CEP
Sir,
3 by Siva.
sir, it is
Continue.
more popular methodology of extraction because it provides large number of working phases and better root stability, for which and also here the work we work at more phase at a time, and it provides suitable for deep learning with caving, which helpful for periodic roof fall as we have not supporting system here. Okay, and here each two core pillar under extraction is supported by the adjacent pillars, so that's why we prefer diagonal line of extraction more over steep diagonal line and step diagonal line.
Should not take more than 1 minute for answering. Very nice. Nicely answered by our Siva. All right. Yogita madam, you want to say something? Yogita madam.
Yes.
Are you able to hear my voice? Yes. Continue.
Yes, sir. I am answering this why diagonal line of extraction is preferable.
Right.
Yeah, diagonal line of extraction provide protection to the working places, supported with, because they are supported with pillars, and also there is less risk of go flushing if we use this diagonal line of extraction. And also if we kept it like this, it facilitates the drainage of water so that working places should not be flooded.
Can you add something more to whatever Siva told? Can you add something more to that? Because I also said something that even that line of extraction, whether it is steeper or 45 degrees, these things also, can you say something about that? It is 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, because
Sir,
this was, yes.
with
Continue.
respect to the direction of deep.
In addition to that, to expose same area of extraction or same span, I mean this span in the GOF, it requires a different diagonal lines. So if it is 60 degree, this will have different span for the total area to fall, right? If it is 45 degrees, a different one like that. Okay. Acha, but these are tried. Sometimes we tried in southeastern coalfields. You please note down. Here, excellent experiences were shared by none other than Professor S.P. Mathur Saab, or Liklija. Professor S.P. Mathur Saab was here with us long back when I was HOD, right? Long back here. And Professor Dr. T.N. Singh Saab also was here couple of times when I called him for delivering some lectures to our beloved students here long back in 2009, 10, something like that. Okay. So Professor S.P. Mathur Saab has done a lot of work on changing these diagonal lines And that when he was a CMD of Southeastern Coalfields, he was also CMD of Western Coalfields. He was also advisor Ministry of Coal and also professor in Bilaspur Engineering College. So the names I am telling that is, you can see their books. You can also write somewhere in the Google. You will get a lot of information. And now, anybody ready for summary?